Hi, I'm Clark Harshbarger. I'm a Director of Stewardship with Matt Agriculture, and today we're here to talk about how we understand soil health. One of the principles of soil health is diversity, and in perennial landscapes and perennial pastures, we can see that in the different types of plants that are growing. We've got forbs and we've got grasses, and one of the neat things about that is it's very nice and simple to see above ground, but you can also see that below ground. And so you have some of these different types of root sizes. So we have a fine size root and a very fine, and you can see this one here. That would be like a medium to coarse size roots. And all of those create different networks of interconnected pores that allow the water to get into the soil and get to depth so it can be stored during the hot times of years. Here it is as we're in the first few days of fall. You can see the autumn leaves turning. The grasses that are warm season are now going to sleep. They're going into dormancies. But these cool season grasses, like you see here, the western wheat, will actually be able to grow until we have continuous freezing dates. So they may even grow past Halloween for almost another month or so out here. And so while they're doing that, they're going to keep feeding the soil. And so that's what's so critical about having the living root occurring in these landscapes, because as they do that, they're still being able to pull carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis, and they pump it out through their roots. And when it does that, it actually feeds the soil microbes, and in return, the soil microbes build glues, and that's what actually makes the soil have this really cool crumbly structure. And when they do that, and you can see some here on the shovel, that structure is actually where the carbon gets stored. And it goes through digestion of bacteria, and the bacteria are eaten by protozoa, and the nematodes eat everything, including each other. And when they're all doing this, they're actually taking that carbon and digesting it until it gets so small that no other organism on Earth can eat it anymore, and it becomes stored in the soil. And that's how you get carbon sequestration.